Today we're on a mission. We are here at Dollywood and we are going to attempt to visit both Dollywood and Splash Country in the same day. Is it possible? Let's find out. Okay, we're about to get on Big Bear Mountain. It is definitely Dollywood's most popular roller coaster, so I would highly recommend getting here first thing as soon as you get to the park because the line can get really long. It's like 45 minutes or an hour. So, if you want to try to avoid that, get here first thing, but definitely don't miss this one. It's a great ride. So we just got off the Mystery Mine. It's always one of my favorite rides here. You definitely should check it out. It's a lot of fun.
I rode it with my eyes closed part of the way.
And that's okay. But now it is time for lunch, so let's go see what we can find. So tell us, what did you decide to go with for lunch today?
I went with footlong hot dogs with curly fries from Dogs and Taters. Got our cinnamon bread.
Whether you've been to Dollywood or not, you have probably heard about their fresh baked cinnamon bread. And I've already torn into this, but just get a look there. It is absolutely delicious. Do not come here and miss out on the cinnamon bread. It is the one thing that you have to take advantage of. It is so good. If you're interested, Dollywood even has a small, old-timey chapel that they have services in on Sundays at 11:30, I think the sign says. Yeah, Sunday at 11:30 a.m. Pretty cool. So we have arrived at part 2 of today's journey. We are at Splash Country. We had a great time at Dollywood. Time is a little of the essence, so we're gonna keep this short and sweet. We're really excited to get out here and ride some water rides. It's a beautiful day. Let's check it out.
You want to tell them what's behind us and what happened?
So this is called the Tailspin Racer, where Steph and I had some really stiff competition, not so much. She was the undisputed winner. We went 5 rounds. She won 4. So there's that. Apparently, I do not have a future in racing water slides.
There's a strategy for sure.
Well, whatever her strategy was, I couldn't figure it out. So there you have it.
Sorry.
All right, so the day has come to an end, and first off, I think I want to say that the mission was a success. We were able to do Dollywood and Splash Country in one day. So that being said, we had a great time, but there are a few stipulations to this video. That being, I would probably not recommend trying to do both on a weekend, especially a holiday weekend. It's Father's Day weekend, so Dollywood was actually really busy, and we did have to skip a few things that we would have liked to ridden, but it is what it is. You know, we had a certain amount of time kind of in mind that we wanted to spend in each park. We were able to do everything at Splash Country though, and I think that was partly because we came around 2 o'clock. So a lot of the initial crowd had kind of already left, and we didn't have any trouble getting on any of the rides at Splash Country. But would I recommend trying to do both parks in one day? That's up to you. Maybe, maybe not. It was a lot. We walked a lot. I mean, but we had a really fun time, and you know, that for those of you wondering, we do have comp tickets today, so I understand that, you know, there is a cost to doing both, and that, you know, could be too much for some, but it was a lot of fun. I'm glad we tried to do both. We've actually been coming to these parks since we were kids, so it wasn't a huge deal for us to miss a few of the rides at Dollywood. But if it's your first time coming to the parks, you may not want to consider doing both in one day. You may just want to stick with Dollywood one day and Splash Country one day. That way you're able to fully enjoy the park. Make sure that you stay hydrated in the summertime. It gets really hot out here in the mountains of Tennessee. It gets so humid. So dehydration is an issue, but do try the food. Both parks have really good food. There's a really good ice cream truck at Splash Country that I always try to go to when I'm here. So, you know, just kind of take this video and use your own judgment. Don't miss out on anything if you've never been here before, because both parks are great in their own way. So if it's during the week and it doesn't look like it's very busy, you can absolutely do both parks, but on a busy weekend, it is a little bit of a stretch. So just keep that in mind. Thanks for joining us today. We've had a great time. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.